Hello everyone. In today's class, I'll be discussing about negotiation skills. What is negotiation skills and its importance? And basically, I'll be discussing in details the styles of negotiation as well. Firstly, I want to tell you people that what is negotiation? Negotiation is a dialogue between two or more people or parties to reach the desired outcome regarding one or more issues of conflict. It involves two or more parties who come together to reach some end goals through compromise or resolution that is agreeable to all those involved. Some common negotiations are distributive negotiation, interrogative negotiation, team negotiation, and multi-party negotiation. Basically, distributive negotiation relates to the parties compete over distribution of fixed pool of value. In interrogative negotiation, it gives the biggest chances of win-win strategy. In team negotiation, it happens normally when the parties are made up of one or more than one person. Skills I will be discussing about these skills required for doing negotiation. The first and the foremost important skill which a person needs to be a good negotiator is active listening. Active listening requires you to listen attentively to the speaker, understand what they are saying, respond, and reflect. The second skill which a person needs is decision making. For making rational and informed decision, keep consideration all the facts and understand the company's current state and its goal state. Then comes emotional control. By identifying and regulating our emotions and responding in a socially tolerable and flexible way. Then comes communication skills, an individual ability to passion information to other people and understand what is said to others. It is the simplest way of transferring information from one place to another. The fifth skill which you need is interpersonal skill. It involves verbal and non-verbal communication. Basically, it's the ability to handle conflict, teamwork, empathy, listening, and a positive attitude. Then later on, problem solving and a smart trade-off are also important skills which we need when we are doing the negotiation. Let's discuss about the five styles of negotiation. The first style is accommodating. Negotiations prioritize maintaining relationship between the negotiating parties. Those who exhibit this style seek to satisfy the other party's needs while minimizing the level of conflict involved in the negotiation. Then comes avoiding. Negotiation with an avoiding style prefer to remain objective and avoid creating tension. Then the third style is collaborating. Basically, it is a joint problem solving technique. It aims to create a win-win scenario. These type of people find creative solutions that satisfy the needs of all the parties involved. Then the fourth one is competing. It is basically result oriented and focused on getting their own way. They are usually less willing to compromise and can be aggressive. Then the last style is compromising. To find a middle ground that is mutually beneficial to all parties, it seeks a solution in which both parties sacrifice part of what they want for resolution. In the end, I want to summarize my whole presentation. I can say in nutshell that negotiation is an integral part of business world. Companies negotiate contracts, government negotiate allowances with their children every single day. Regardless of what you are negotiating, being successful negotiator means listening, compromising, and accepting the other party's position. That is all from my side. Thank you so much. I would really appreciate if you can like, comment, and subscribe my videos. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.